morning, good morning, good morning. I am up and moving early this morning. Well, no earlier than usual. But I am up to prepare for my midweek Zoom for my Sisterlock class. And I am a bit excited. Today I should expect to have my subsections on my mannequin evaluated. Yeah, that makes me a bit nervous. I know it's not perfect. And I wouldn't say exactly nervous, but I'm looking forward to them letting me know how I can improve those subsections. Because I worked hard at getting those parts straight and in the sections that they asked for. And there's a lot for me to look forward to. And I just want it to be right so that when I am done with the classes, I can start installing or establishing Sisterlocks. I'm excited about it. As a matter of fact, I think that, no, I don't think. I know that when I get back, I will be offering some specials on Sisterlock. And I want you to give me an idea of what you think a special should be. Should I just do a flat rate? Can I say, okay, Sisterlock's installation will be $600. And that's just a price that just came to mind. And it will include your installation. It will include the first retightening. Yeah, should I say that? Can I make it this way though, so that I don't waste my time at all? Can I say that the special will be a $25 consultant fee? Because these are all things that are going through my mind. That will be included with the $600 total package. Yeah. Or tell me what you think a good special should be. Can I say $600 for hair up to 8 inches long? Is $600 too much for 8 inches of Sisterlocks installed? Those are a lot of questions that's going through my mind. Let's take that $600. That's what we're going to use. And you're going to tell me if you think that's too much. If you think that's too much, then I want you to give me an idea of what you think is a reasonable package deal. That's what I want to do. Because I am looking forward to the future. I am trying to decide how to style this hair this morning, whether or not I am going to do that. Hold on. I'm going to do something a little different with this in the front. I'm just going to leave that there because as I lean down to work on my mannequin, if I have to do anything today, I don't want my hair dropping in my face. So I'm going to take that, put that there. And I think that that's enough. I'm not going to do a whole lot to my hair today. But today is, what do you think is a fair, special, based on my experience, the person's hair length and density? That's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna do much editing to this video. I am gonna put it up with my suggestions, and I want you to help me out. Thank you for all that you've done to help me to grow this channel. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you've done. You've been hanging in there with me with these Sisterlocks now for over 2 years, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate all that you do. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on. Things are about to get exciting. They're about to get more exciting. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers. And I love my followers. But I especially love God, because God has been so good to me. He afforded me so many opportunities during a time when things are limited for so many others. Now, he's not doing this for me. He's doing this for all who accept him into his life. For he said in his word, I'll never leave you and I won't forsake you. And he hasn't forsaken me. He is true to his word, and that's why I can say that I stand on his word. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.